Hello, boys and girls. Today we are off on another adventure with the Pteranodon. Please listen closely as we learn more about this mysterious creature. The Pteranodon's wings. Paleontologists think the Pteranodon was a strong flyer. They came to this theory by looking closely at fossils of its wings. They saw that the Pteranodon's wings and shoulders would have been very muscular due to the size of its body and its wings. It would have been hard for the Pteranodon to flap its wings quickly. This means that it pushed itself through the air with large, slow flaps of its wings instead. So it's Although it flew, the Pteranodon did not have feathers, as a bird does. Dinosaurs are more closely related to today's birds than Pteranodons are. Isn't that interesting? If you look at this picture here, this little caption says, the Pteranodon could use its wings to flap or glide over the ocean's surface. It also folded them to walk on all fours while on land, so that it could walk around. Over here, it has this large picture of the wings. It says the Pteranodon's wings came out from the Pteranodon's extra long fourth finger bone. They also attached to the side of its body and its thighs. Whoa. So if you see the wings coming out all the way down there, and you can see where they can fold up at that joint there. You see how they can fold it up kind of like at our joint where we can fold? The next section is called Pteranodon senses. We all know what our senses are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Pteranodon had a large head. It also had a large brain compared to the size of the rest of its body. Fossils of the Pteranodon's skull show that its brain was likely much like that of some of today's birds. Based on this clue, paleontologists think that the pterosaur was fairly smart and had good eyesight. They think the Pteranodon may have had a good sense of smell too. This is also true of many birds today that eat fish or hunt for prey. Sharp senses and intelligence would have been useful to the Pteranodon as it hunted for food in the prehistoric oceans. And over here it says sharp vision helped the Pteranodon see fish moving under the water. Over here, scientists think that the Pteranodon's wings could sense changes in wind and other forces around them. This helped Pteranodons fly with great skill. Eating on the fly. The Pteranodon was a carnivore. That means that it's a meat eater. Since it lived near oceans or seas, the Pteranodon's diet was made up of marine animals. These animals included bugs, crabs, fish, and shellfish that lived during the late Cretaceous period. The Pteranodon had no teeth. Remember, we learned that before. How then did it hunt and eat? Paleontologists think that the pterosaur scooped its prey out of the water using its beak-like mouth. And that picture looks like it has teeth. It would then swallow its food whole. This way of hunting and eating might have looked a lot like the way today's pelicans eat and hunt. It says pterosaurs may have scooped fish from the water as a pelican does. Oh, it's a pretty great skill. Dino bite. Scientists think that in addition to hunting, the Pteranodon also might have fed on dead animals it found on land. This is called scavenging. It's a scavenger. Over here, If the pteranodon scavenged for dead animals, it might have kept its eyes open for animals that were about to be killed. It could come back to eat them once the other predators had left. So it sounds like he's getting the leftovers. All right, thank you for joining. And next time we'll learn more about our mysterious pteranodon.